Looking to skyrocket your e-commerce sales? Look no further. In this groundbreaking video, I'll reveal the world's first AI-powered app that takes your business to the next level. Discover how this revolutionary tool uses keywords to automatically generate super funnels that outperform Shopify, Amazon, and eBay combined. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your business. Leverage AI to crush eCom and sell any products or offers without ever creating a store or Shopify. AI Stack, the world's first AI app that uses advanced keyword analysis to automatically generate super funnels that outperform even the biggest e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and eBay. With this cutting-edge technology, you can now effortlessly create highly targeted funnels that convert 10 times better than the competition, with zero overhead and zero costs. Yes, AI Stack does everything for you, without us doing any of the work. Even, it comes with its own built-in AI traffic generator. AI Stack features is out of this world. Simply enter a keyword and let AI automatically create stunning 3-in-1 super funnels, complete with preloaded assets, hot products, descriptions, images, videos, and more. DIY ads and templates for each product to use. Connect your Facebook pixel to retarget all your customers with more products. Instantly connect your autoresponder to start building your buyers list. DIY emails that you can use instantly to promote more products to your list. Leverage the power of WhatsApp to close more sales. Accept payments with PayPal, Stripe, or any other payment method. Add upsell plus exit pop-up to your super funnels and 3x revenue per order. 3x sales with the stunning templates. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your e-commerce business. Hit the link in the description now to discover how you can leverage the power of AI Stack to dominate your niche and achieve unprecedented success in your business.